Ancillary Timecode, often called ATC, is a way to put timing information directly inside a digital video signal. Imagine you have a really long video, and you want to know exactly when each part happens. ATC works like a digital post-it note attached to every single frame of the video, telling you the exact hour, minute, second, and frame number. For example, a frame might have a label like 01:23:45:12, which means it's at 1 hour, 23 minutes, 45 seconds, and frame 12. This timecode information is stored in small and used spaces within the digital video signal, so it doesn't interfere with the picture you see. It's hidden, but it travels with the video wherever it goes. This is helpful in video production and broadcasting because it keeps everything in sync. For example, if you are editing a cooking show filmed with several cameras, each camera's footage will have these timecode labels. That way, you can easily match up the exact moment when the chef cracks an egg across all the camera angles, because those frames will have the same timecode. Ancillary timecode is different from older types of timecode that were stored on separate tracks or in analog signals. ATC is only used in digital video and is more reliable because the timecode stays with the video, even if you make digital copies. You can also think of ATC like a train schedule, where every train car knows exactly when it should arrive at each station. In the same way, every video frame knows exactly when it should play. This helps video editors, broadcasters, and automated systems keep everything running smoothly and on time. In short, Ancillary Timecode is a hidden digital label that makes sure all parts of a video production stay perfectly synchronized.